Answers from all across Northern California. This is the CBS 13 News at 10.
There are people that are working as independent contractors by choice because that's what works best for their family and for their livelihood.
Lingering questions and concerns tonight following a state Supreme Court ruling that will change who can be an independent contractor. Many think the ruling will debilitate millions of workers, while others say it's a decision that was long overdue.
CBS 13's Angela Greenwood has more tonight on the impacts. Angela?
And Christina and Tony, we are talking some far-reaching impacts, dozens of industries that will be affected, and many workers and businesses that will have to change the way they've done business for decades. But some say this wouldn't be an issue if people weren't cutting corners in the first place.
I was surprised.
Barraj Singh has been a truck driver for 8 years, an independent contractor like many truckers are. But today he learned his income could take a hit, as his employment status may soon change.
You know, every last hour, that's money.
In April, a landmark decision was handed down by the California Supreme Court that will require independent contractors to become official employees if the service they offer is within the usual course of their employer's business.
Nearly 2 million people are independent contractors here in the state of California.
Becky Warren says the impacts are huge, affecting rideshare and delivery drivers, construction and cosmetology workers, even doctors and therapists. She helped form the I'm Independent Coalition to protect independent contractors following this ruling.
Recent polls show that over 80% of independent contractors want to be independent. They want that choice to have that flexibility.
The High Court's case involved national delivery service Dynamex West Operations, which was accused of turning employees into independent contractors to save money on state disability and workmen's comp coverage and payroll taxes.
It's cheaper, and they're cheap, and they want to make a greater profit on the back of somebody else.
Longtime employment attorney David Mastagni says the ruling is more than fair.
Now, after this case, there's a glimmer of hope, and responsible employers will embrace it.
But independent contractors who don't want to give up their freedom are now fighting for legislation to put this ruling on hold until a better solution is figured out.
I really don't like it. I don't know how it's going to be, how it's going to affect us.
So a lot of questions out there. Now, even the Department of Consumer Affairs is unsure what this all means exactly. Officials there telling us they are waiting on getting some answers from other agencies to pass on to their clients. And we did mention this last week. There will be a seminar open to all independent contractors about this issue. That's this Sunday evening in Sacramento, and you can find more on that on our website, cbs13.com.
Still lots of questions. Angela, thanks for that update. A massive health